Is there a growing demand for commerce professionals across industries? Hello there, we are back with another important topic on commerce professions out here. In today's rapidly evolving global economy, commerce professionals are essential across various industries. These experts handle finance, marketing, logistics, management, and everything that comes under the umbrella of commerce to keep businesses running smoothly and efficiently. In the healthcare industry, we can see commerce professionals managing budgets and controlling costs to ensure that funds are allocated efficiently for patient care, equipment, and facilities. They look after the revenue cycle, ensuring timely billing and collections, which are crucial for the financial stability of healthcare institutions. Moreover, they ensure compliance with healthcare regulations and keep up with ethical standards in financial reporting and patient billing, fostering trust within the community. In the construction industry, commerce professionals are invaluable in project management. They estimate project costs, manage budgets, and ensure that projects are completed within financial constraints. They also identify and mitigate financial risks associated with the projects, ensuring profitability and sustainability. Their role in supply chain management is equally critical as they manage acquisition and logistics, ensuring timely delivery of materials and optimizing costs. Up next, in the retail industry, commerce professionals analyze market trends and consumer behavior, which are crucial for providing valuable insights for product development and marketing strategies. They are the ones who manage inventory to meet demand and minimize costs. Through financial planning, they forecast sales, guide purchasing and production, and manage costs to keep prices competitive yet profitable. When we look at the technological industry, commerce professionals are at the forefront of strategic planning and business development. They help tech companies identify new markets and growth opportunities, manage investments in research and development, and ensure funds are used effectively to drive innovation. They are also adept at integrating new technologies into business processes and utilizing data analytics to drive decision-making, providing actionable insights that improve business outcomes. When we look into the manufacturing sector, commerce professionals work tirelessly to enhance operational efficiency and productivity. They identify and implement process improvements, manage production costs, and optimize resource usage to reduce wastage. The hospitality industry benefits greatly from the expertise of commercial experts. They optimize pricing strategies to maximize revenue and occupancy rates. They also manage operational costs to ensure profitability while maintaining high service standards. They analyze customer preferences and trends, helping hotels and restaurants tailor their offerings to meet market demands, and they also study competitors to help businesses stay ahead in the market. In the education industry, commerce professionals contribute significantly to strategic planning and program development, ensuring that educational programs meet market needs and attract students. They manage budgets for educational institutions, ensuring that resources are used effectively to provide quality education. They also ensure compliance with accreditation standards and regulatory requirements, maintaining the credibility and reputation of educational institutions. In conclusion, commerce professionals are the backbone of every industry. Their expertise in financial management, strategic planning, compliance, market analysis, operational efficiency, human resource management, and technological adaptation makes them invaluable assets for every organization. Whether in healthcare, construction, retail, technology, manufacturing, hospitality, or education, commerce professionals drive business success and economic growth. As businesses continue to drive into complex economic landscapes, the demand for skilled commerce professionals will only grow, highlighting their crucial role across all sectors. So, do you want to become a pioneer in the commerce industry? Join commerce professional courses like CA, CMA, ACCA, and CS at the Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya and secure your spot at top companies as a commerce professional. Remember, the future is commerce and you will need it for a bright future. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.